Today's video we have the Xros 5 Nano. Straight out of the box you get your Type-C cable, spare pod and a lanyard. Instructions you need to know are on the sticker on the device. It's 5 clicks on, 5 clicks off. To unlock the device, simply swipe up, swipe right for your power settings, swipe left for your stats. For a basic menu, swipe down, and finally swipe up for your main menu. As always, the device comes standard with a 0.6 pod. Peel off the sticker, still using the same snap cap pods we all know and love. As always, make sure you always fill in the red hole. The device comes with a spare 0.8 pod. Favourite juice at the minute is the Blue Raz Lemonade Bar Short. It's a 50-50 short fill, double concentrate, comes with 2 nick shots to make it up to 3 mg, and it's UK made. Still have the option to use the button for a drag if you're not a fan of the auto draw, and you have airflow control on the side. The device will automatically lock itself if it's inactive. To unlock it, simply swipe up. All in, this kit would be a lovely gift to yourself or a loved one this Christmas. I hope you all have a very Merry Christmas, and remember to value your vaping.